Intro. I've discovered a product that's raking in substantial profits with only 1,000 competitors. And curiously, it's not a subject that's gained much attention on YouTube. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to start a similar business in under 10 minutes with the assistance of AI. This includes the planning of the product and generating ideas in just a few clicks, as well as designing the final product to give it a professional appearance. If you stick around, you'll learn how to stand out in a crowded market and increase your earnings. Be sure to grab a notepad because what I'm about to reveal is truly mind-blowing. Let's dive right into it. Introducing crystal meaning cards. Crystal meaning cards serve as informative guides that introduce you to the world of crystals. Each card showcases a specific crystal, offering insights into its unique energy properties. If you search for crystal meaning cards on Etsy, you'll notice a low level of competition. A deeper look reveals that many of these listings consistently receive new sales. Even on Amazon, a similar product search reveals low competition, but a high demand. For instance, one listing is selling printable crystal meaning cards with an estimated revenue of $2,700, while another is selling the same product with an estimated revenue of $7,800. This is quite impressive, and there are many more listings making a substantial income in this niche. I'll show you later how to generate hundreds of these cards in just one click. People are selling these cards in various formats and styles, from printable to editable and square-shaped cards. The potential to make money in this niche is limitless, and that's precisely what you'll learn in today's video, creating crystal meaning cards. When it comes to creating these cards, the first step is to analyze what's already selling and create something similar. You don't necessarily need to invent something entirely new to make money. Instead, analyze what's working and add your unique touch. Examining best-selling listings, you'll notice that they offer 400 cards for $50. You might think that creating that many cards would be time-consuming, but I'll show you how to make hundreds of them in just a few clicks. If you look at the design, you'll see that it's quite simple, featuring the stone's name, its meaning, an image, its properties, and an affirmation quote. Understanding this structure will help you create your own unique cards later. Reading the description will provide more details, such as the card's size and other relevant information. Additionally, I recommend going through as many reviews as possible, both positive and negative, as they will help you refine your product. Now that you know what the card design should include, head over to ChatGPT and ask the following. Generate 15 printable crystal meaning cards that include the name of the stone, its meaning, properties, and an affirmation quote. Present all information in an organized table. Once you press enter, you'll receive the required information, all neatly organized and ready for use. Using this method, you'll be able to work 100 times faster than your competitors who manually research each stone and its properties. Move on to the next step, creating the stone images. Creating stone images. To generate AI images, you need a prompt that describes the desired image. For the stone images, you'll want high-quality close-up shots with a realistic look. Here's a prompt to get you started. Stone name, high-quality close-up, white background, 4K realistic look. This prompt will generate professional-looking stone images as shown on the screen. If you have a large number of stones, continually modifying the prompt with each stone's name can be tedious. A solution is to open the ChatGPT, where you generated the list of stones and create prompts for each stone quickly. In seconds, you'll have all the prompts ready for use, and you can copy and paste them into the image generation tool. Removing background. Once you've generated the stone images, it's time to remove the background. Upload the images and use the background remover feature to clean up the images. Save the images to your device, and you'll be ready to proceed with designing the cards. Keep watching because in a minute, I'll show you how to design hundreds of cards with a single click.